Important MCQs on resistor. What is the primary function of a resistor in an electrical? To store electrical energy. Capacitor inductors are used to oppose the flow of current to generate electrical energy. Generator is used to increase voltage. Transformer in AC. Boost transformer. Boost converter in DC to DC is used. Option B, to oppose flow of current. What is question number 2? What is the SI unit of resistance? Ampere is SI unit of current. Siemens SI unit of conductance. Ohm resistance. Voltage is potential difference or EMF. So answer is C. Ohm. What is the main question number 3? What is the main difference between a fixed resistor and a variable resistor? Fixed resistors are higher voltage rating. Not true. Both fixed and variable have a higher voltage rating. Of variable resistance can change their internal resistance. True. Fixed resistors are more expensive. Fixed resistors are less expensive than variable. So it is false. Variable resistors are only used in AC circuits. False. Can be used in both AC and DC circuits. So answer is option B. Variable resistors can change their resistance value. Question number 4. What is the purpose of potentiometer? Option A, to limit current. To limit current, resistor is used to control voltage or current in a circuit. Potentiometer is used. Rheostat is used to control current. Both current and voltage is to control potentiometer. Rheostat only current. Voltage regulator is output, constant output voltage to store electrical energy. Capacitor inductor is used to generate voltage. Generator. So option B is correct. Question number 5. What does the term power rating of a resistor refer to? The maximum voltage the capacitor can withstand. The maximum current the capacitor can handle. The maximum power the capacitor can dissipate without overheating. The minimum resistance the capacitor can offer. Answer is option C. Power rating indicates the maximum amount of power measured in watts a resistance can safely dissipate as heat. Question number 6. What are different types of resistor? Codes. 2-band resistor, 3-band resistor. Answer is for B. 4-band resistor, 4-band resistor, 5-band resistor and 6-band resistor. Resistor band 3 types: 4-band, 5-band. This is a 4-band resistor. Below is 5-band. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6-band resistors is also there. Question number 7. What is a thermistor? A fixed resistor. Option B, a variable resistor. Option C, type of capacitor. Option D, a resistor whose resistance changes with temperature. Answer, a resistor whose resistance changes with thermistor is a thermal resistor. Question number 8. In parallel connection of resistors, how does the equivalent resistance compare to the smallest individual resistor. In parallel connection of resistors, equivalent resistor is smaller than the smallest individual resistance. Answer C. Question number 9. Why are thick copper wires? Thick copper wires used for high current devices like stoves to minimize resistance and energy loss. Answer B. Mainly resistors are available in maximum value of mega ohms. Identify the combination which is not a series connection. Resistance box can be both parallel and series connection. Decorative walls. Alders were used in series connection but in modern parallel connections. Fuses are both parallel and series. Domestic appliances resistors are used in parallel connection. So answer is D. There are question number 12. There are two main characteristics of a resistors are resistors limit current, so it has resistance and dissipates heat, so it has power rating. So option is resistance and power because it dissipates heat as power. Which of the following is the major application of wire-wound resistors? And so both circuit breakers and fuses. ALDR is also called a photoresistor. Which type of resistor is known for its high power dissipation capacity and is often used in applications requiring in high currents? Wire-wound capacitors. Color code of a resistor is blue, black, green. Find the value of the resistor. For band resistors, example first band is a first digit, second band is for second significant digit, third band is for third. Multiplier for band is for tolerance. So in the question, blue, black, green and golden four bands are there. First one green is first digit green is green 5. Green digit is 5 digit 5 first band for first band. Second is blue. Blue is 6 number digits 6. Black is for third digit is multiplier black. Multiplier black is 10 to the power 0 and 1. So 5 6 multiplied into 1 equals to 56 into 1 equals to 56. Fourth band is golden. Fourth band golden is for tolerance. Where is golden? Tolerance value is 5 for gold. So its value is 56 plus minus 5%. Answer is 16. 56 ohm plus minus 5% as tolerance. Three resistances R2, R and 4 are connected in star. Its equivalent delta connection will have resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in stars. Its delta equivalent R12, R13, R23 is R12 equals to R1 plus R2 plus R1 into R1 into R2 divided by opposite resistance R3 and R23 equals to R2 plus R3 plus R2 into R3 divided by R1 opposite resistance. R13 equals to R1 plus R3 plus R1 into R3 divided by R2 opposite resistance. The answer is question number 2. 3.5 R, 7R and 14R. Calculate J equivalent in the circuit. J, what is J? Is reciprocal of conductance. J is reciprocal. J is conductance measured in mho or Siemens. Reciprocal of conductance. Equivalent conductance in series is just because conductance is opposite of reciprocal of resistance. So where resistors in parallel are added, conductance is reciprocal and inversely added G1 G2 divided by G1 plus G2. So in the circuit 6 Siemens and 12 Siemens are connected in parallel series. So series means 6 into 12 divided by 6 plus 12. And then these are connected in parallel and these will be connected in parallel equals to 4S. Answer is a network. A network of resistors is connected to a 16-volt battery with an internal resistance 1 ohm as shown in figure. Compute the equivalent resistors of the circuit. Mistakes points while finding equivalent resistor of the network. Don't consider the internal resistance of the voltage source. So here in this one is internal resistance. So when calculating equivalent resistance, don't consider this internal resistor of 16-volt battery. So parallel, these are parallel connected, these are plus 2. Answer is question 3, 7 ohm. Filament resistors of 20-watt bulb and 40-watt bulb both rated to same voltage of operation is in the ratio 1:2, 2:1, 1:4 for estate. When bulb rated to voltage, power consumed by the voltage is V square bar R. When bulb rated to current, power consumed by the voltage calculated R I square or series connected. V square are parallelly connected. For parallelly connected. Answer will be 2:1. Next question. A given copper wire obtained of resistance is stretched to double its original length. Its new resistance is thus the formula is R equals to rho L by L. When L is gets doubled, its area gets half. So L equals to 2L, A equals to A by 2. This equals to R equal to 4 rho L by A. So R equals to 4 rho L by A. So 10 ohm into 4 equals to 40 ohm. So resistance value will be 40 ohm. A failed coil of shunt motor has a resistance of 45 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. Find the average temperature of the winding at adapter on. When the resistance is increased to 48 ohm, the temperature coefficient of resistance is 0.004 per degree Celsius. Change in resistance with temperature is given by RT equals to RT final temperature equals to R0 whole bracket open 1 plus alpha delta bracket plus RT equals to final temperature per resistance is final temperature R0 resistance at initial temperature alpha equals to temperature coefficient delta change is temperature final temperature minus initial temperature equals to del T. Here alpha equals to 0.004 per degree centigrade. Initial resistance is 45 ohm, final is 48 ohm, initial temperature 20 degree, find out final. Final resistance with initial resistance given alpha given del T. Final temperature is to be find out. So answer will be 38 degrees centigrade.